Hello everyone, so how to install CISCO WEBEX GSUITE add-on. So whenever you are in Google Calendar or Gmail, you can just click this plus icon here, get add-ons, and then basically this is the GSUITE marketplace, and from here you can just search, but usually it will be in top. So you have Zoom here, you have CISCO WEBEX, so just you will see here that it works with Gmail or with Calendar. So to install, just click on this plus icon, and then you will see that all the options here, and then continue. You will need to choose an account, give permissions, then its installation process starts, and you will see CISCO WEBEX has been installed. And there you have it. So when you close the window, you will see the icon here on the right, and then you can just get started, and probably you will need to sign in to your CISCO WEBEX. So anyways, and you just enter a site URL. If you create a new account, if you want just sign in, you just sign in, and then you can just start using it.